Today we are showcasing how to terminate a corrugated cable. Here we are using Anritsu LDF4RK-50A for the tutorial. As for the connector, we are using Anritsu 7 to 16 DIN connector L4TDM PSA. Carefully straighten cable to prepare for jacket removal. Using a steel ruler, you can proceed to measure 50 mm from the tip of cable. After measuring, use a penknife to trace a cutting line. This cut can be deep as the jacket is quite thick. Now use the penknife to cut vertically across, starting from the cutting line. If done correctly, the jacket can be removed with ease. Fit in the saw guide onto the groove measuring 33 mm from the cutting line to the saw guide. It's approximate at the fourth groove away from the tip of cable. After fitting in the saw guide, we can then clamp the corrugated cable on a bench vise and secure it. Utilizing a hand saw and cut along the edge of the saw guide, and observe the outer conductor tube are being cut. Rotate the cable and continue to saw the outer conductor. Repeat till the cut is done 360 degrees around. After the saw cutting, we can remove the outer conductor by grabbing with a plier and turn it, and pulling it out. Now we can use a penknife to remove the foam away, exposing the inner conductor. We will then insert the saw guide using the hole onto the inner conductor, and use a nipper or cutter to trim away the length of the inner conductor. After cable preparation, we will start the procedure of the connectorization. Slide in the O-ring and put it at the 6th groove on the outer conductor. After putting the O-ring, slide in the lock nut body onto the cable, leaving at least one groove exposed. Now we can put the spring ring onto the remaining exposed groove. Use a hand file to deburr the inner conductor, and taper it. Insert the connector head, and this will let the inner conductor securely sit in within the captivated inner contact. Now pull back the lock nut body toward the connector head and tighten it with hand first. Using two spanners, the spanner on the connector head will remain stationary, while the spanner on the lock nut body will be turning, and tighten.